Trezor Safe 5 versus Model T. Trezor is a well-established brand in the world of cryptocurrency hardware wallets, offering users secure ways to store and manage digital assets. The Trezor Safe 5 is one of the company's latest releases, while the Model T has been the premium choice for years. This detailed comparison will cover their security features, design, supported cryptocurrencies, usability, connectivity, backup options, and value for money to help you determine which device suits your crypto storage needs. Now, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Now, the first thing that we are going to talk about are their design and build quality. Let's head over to the Trezor Safe 5. It has a sleek, compact design with a sturdy plastic build and a monochrome OLED screen. Meanwhile, for the Trezor Model T, it has larger premium build with a full color touchscreen for easier navigation. Now, the winner in this category is going to be Model T. The touchscreen provides a better user experience compared to physical buttons on the Safe 5. And so let's move over to security and encryption. Security is a crucial factor when choosing a hardware wallet, and both models have different approaches. First, let's talk about the Trezor Safe 5. It features an EAL6 Plus secure element, which adds extra protection against physical attacks. This ensures that even if someone gains access to your device, extracting private keys is significantly harder. Meanwhile, for the Trezor Model T, it does not include a secure element, but it relies on the open source firmware to maintain transparency. This means that its security is based on well-audited software rather than proprietary hardware. Now, the additional security features for the devices are both devices support Passphrase protection, allowing users to create hidden wallets. They also have the Trezor Suite to manage assets securely. And so, if you value hardware level security, the Safe 5 secure element makes it more resistant to advanced attacks. However, Trezor Model T's open source approach is highly secure, offering more transparency. Now, let's move over to the supported cryptocurrencies. Both wallets support a wide range of cryptocurrencies, but there are slight differences. Both Trezor Safe 5 and Model T supports over 8,000 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, ERC20 tokens, and many altcoins. Now, for the Trezor Model T, it supports Shamir backup, which lets you split the recovery sieve into multiple parts for additional security. This is an advanced feature that the Trezor Safe 5 lacks. Now, the winner is going to be Thai. If you need standard crypto support, both devices perform equally well. However, the Model T provides an edge with the Shamir backup. Now, let's head over to the user experience and interface. Once again, the Safe 5 uses two physical buttons for interaction, making navigation slightly slower. You'll need to confirm transactions and navigate menus by clicking these two buttons. For the Model T, it features an full color touchscreen, making it easier to input PIN codes, confirm transaction, and navigate the wallet. This is especially useful for beginners. Now, the winner is going to be Model T. The touchscreen generally or greatly enhances usability. If you prefer a faster, more intuitive interface, the Model T is the better choice. And from there, let's talk about connectivity and compatibility. For the Safe 5, it uses a USB-C connection, allowing easy connectivity with computers and smartphones. However, it does not support micro SD storage. For Model T, it also features USB-C, but includes a micro SD card slot that allows for offline encrypted backups, an additional security feature missing in the Safe 5 model. And so, the winner is going to be Model T. The addition of micro SD slot for offline backup gives it an advantage. Talking about backup, let's head over to the backup and recovery options. Both wallets supports 12 or 24 word recovery seeds, ensuring that you can go ahead and restore your funds if device is lost or damaged. Now for the Safe 5, it has the standard BIP39 backup with no Shamir backup option. For the Model T, it offers Shamir backup, allowing you to go ahead and split the save into multiple parts. Example, 3 of 5 needed for recovery, reducing the risk of losing access to your funds. Now, the winner on this category is going to be Model T. Shamir backup is too powerful and it adds extra flexibility and extra protection against loss. And now, let's head over to the price and value for money. Trezor Safe 5 is more affordable, offering strong security with a secure element at a lower price. For Model T, it is more expensive due to its touchscreen, Shamir backup, and additional security features. Now the winner is depending on your needs. If you want the premium affordable secure option, you want to go for Safe 5. If you prefer a premium experience with more security features, the Model T is worth it with the extra cost. And now, let's talk about additional features and extras. Model T includes Shamir backup for advanced recovery options, micro SD support for encrypted backups, and better UI with a touchscreen for easier navigation. Now for Safe 5, it includes the EAL6 Plus secure element for stronger hardware security. It's more budget-friendly pricing. Now the winner is going to be Model T for usability and feature, Safe 5 for security, and if security is your priority, Safe 5 is the better option. If ease of use and extra features matter, Model T wins. And so, which one should you go ahead and choose? You want to choose the Safe 5 if you want a high security wallet at a lower price thanks to its EAL6 Plus secure element. You want to choose Model T if you prefer a touchscreen, Shamir backup, and micro SD support for enhanced usability and backup security. Now, for maximum security at an affordable price, Trezor Safe 5 is the best choice. If convenience, a touchscreen, and advanced recovery options are more important, you want to go for the Trezor Model T. And so guys, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Now, if this video has been helpful, make sure to hit the notification bell, hit the like, subscribe, and follow for more similar content like this one. Now, what are you waiting for? Head over to the Trezor official site and start securing your cryptocurrency. Thank you.